Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log out of Buddy AI application on your mobile device. To sign out or log out of Buddy AI, go ahead and open up the Buddy AI app first. Once you get to this screen, tap on the gear button, enter an adult's birth year in the text box, or according to the game, it'll ask you to bring an adult to enter their birth year. After you type down a grown-up's birth year, you will be taken to the General tab. Now click on the Account button at the top and you will see a Logout button. Tap on Logout and you are now logged out of Buddy AI. And that is how you easily log out of Buddy AI. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I will be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.